Welcome to our channel Learn with us. Let's share with you today's pair of words. 1. Breach, breach. Breach, an act of breaking or failing to observe a law, agreement, or code of conduct. Breech, the rear part of a firearm barrel, also the lower part of the body, especially of a fetus during childbirth. 2. Manner, manner. Manner, the way in which something is done or happens, also, behavior or conduct. Manor, a large country house with lands and often including a village, also, the district over which a lord has jurisdiction. 3. Role, role. Role, a part or character played by an actor or actress, also, a function or position. Roll, to move by turning over and over on an axis, also, a small, rounded mass of food. 4. Board, board. Board, a long, thin, flat piece of wood or other hard material. Used for floors, walls, or other purposes. Bored, feeling weary and impatient because one is unoccupied or lacks interest in one's current activity. 5. Alter, alter. Alter, to change or modify something, typically in a small but significant way. Altar, a table or platform used for religious rites, sacrifices, or offerings.